In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and download bank statements in QuickBooks Online using Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Sign in securely with your usual credentials and complete any verification prompts so you're logged into the correct company. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right company file will help ensure you're looking at the right bank accounts and data. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Depending on your version, you'll see either banking or transactions. Both take you to the same area where connected bank and credit card accounts live. Click that menu to open the banking dashboard. On the screen, you'll see tiles or tabs for each of your linked accounts. Select the specific bank account you want to work with. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the account name and the last updated date. To make sure you're opening the correct one, you'll now be in the account view where you can see recent activity and tools related to that bank. Next, look for an option labeled Bank Statements. In many accounts, it appears as a tab or link within the selected bank's page. Click it to view the statements QuickBooks has fetched from your bank connection. You may see a list of monthly statements with dates. If you don't see a Bank Statements tab, no problem. Stay within the account's transactions area to access and review the individual transactions for the date range you need. From the bank statements section, pick the month or statement period you want. You can usually preview it to confirm you have the right dates and account. When you're ready, choose Download to save it to your computer, typically as a PDF. It's a good idea to rename the file with the bank name, account, and statement period so you can find it quickly later. Store it in a secure, organized folder, especially if you'll be sharing it with your accountant or keeping an audit trail. If you're reviewing transactions instead of a statement, use the date filters to focus on a specific period and scan the list for completeness and accuracy. Many users like to download a copy of the transactions for backup or analysis. Look for the export or download option to save a CSV file you can open in a spreadsheet. That's it. You've logged in with Chrome, navigated to banking or transactions, selected your linked bank, accessed bank statements or transactions, and reviewed and downloaded what you needed.